Right? Good morning. Good
Morning,
morning.
sir.
Okay, good morning. Please turn on your cameras. Okay, please turn on your cameras now. All right. So I would like to ask the feedback for the visual verbal relationships that you are doing, the activity that I have gave. Kumusta man to?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Di ba, I told you that you will present it here? Hmm. So who likes to go first? Sige, who likes to go first? For what? Huh? Just for what? Okay, listen first. So here's what we're going to do. I have uploaded an assignment in your LMS named Activity 3.7.3. Alam mo karatol, because in there, you will upload your visual verbal illustrations. So ang kanang inyong visual verbal illustrations that you are going to present today, upload it on that LMS kanang i-submit diha activity 3.7.3 because anha ninyo makitaan or in that part you will see your score of your presentation today. Okay? So let's start. Who will who will start first? Kinsay mo una? Who wants to start first? Sige. By the way, the perfect score for this activity is 50. And ari na ko record sa written activity. Okay? So, who wants to go first? Sige na mo present first. Rhea?
Ako
Sige,
na
Rhea.
lang. Wait,
Sige, present first, Rhea.
na-show na, sir?
Yes. Share screen na already.
So, good morning, everyone. This is my visual verbal relationship report. So, as you can see, it is submitted by Rhea May D. Canoy, and that is me, and submitted to Mr. Jenna Sarsalaho. So, before, this is the one that Sir Jenna has been given to us, and its direction says that analyze carefully the information in the table and present them using an illustration. And the information here is the Earth is made up of three layers: the crust, the mantle, and the core. And the second one, the outer layer, called the crust, is between 16 and 40 kilometers thick, and so on. So my illustration is this one. So as you can see, there is a picture and some informations. So the structure of the Earth, and the Earth is made up of three layers: the crust, the mantle, and the core. So this one right here, is what we call the crust, and its information is the outer layer, called crust, is between 14 to 60 kilometers thick, and this one right here is what we called the mantle. Mantle is 2,895 kilometers thick, and as you know, the core has two parts. It is the inner core and the outer core. So this one right here is the outer core. The outer core is 3,475 kilometers thick, and it is surrounded by mantle. The outer part is solid. So the last one here is the inner core. The
Solid?
inner ay liquid, sir. Di mo ko kita, sir. Kaya ay ko. Sorry. And the last one right here is our inner core. And the inner core has the definition of the innermost part is solid. And that's all. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Ria. Next. So Ria uses a map. Map ba na? Map ba yung
It's
mag-use, Ria?
it's infograph
Info,
because it's
infograph. Infograph. Ria uses infograph. Next. Call a friend, Ria. Kinsa mo sunod ni mo?
Vance. It is okay. Is it okay, Vance?
Vance.
Sir, I will be the one who will share screen the PowerPoint of Vance.
Sige, go. Okay.
Hello everybody, my name is Vancio Caballo and today I'm gonna be presenting to you the four layers of the earth. Next. The earth is made up of three layers, the crust, mantle, and the core. The outer layer is called the crust, is between 16 to 40 kilometers thick. Mantle is 2,895 kilometers thick. The core, which is 3,475 kilometers thick, is surrounded by mantle. The inner core most part is solid. I while the outer core. So, so what is Earth? Earth is a third planet from the Sun and the only astronomical object known to harbor life. About 29% of the Earth's surface and land consisting of continents and islands. The remaining 71% is covered with water, mostly by oceans, but also by lakes, rivers, and other fresh water, which together constitute the hydrosphere. Next. So this is the first layer, the crust. Next. This is the second layer, the mantle. This is the third layer, the outer core. And this is the inner core, the last layer of the earth.
Okay. Next. Next. Who's next, Vance?
Joanna.
Johanna. Okay, Johanna.
Ah, okay, kanang sa wait a sir. Wait a sir. Mag-share screen sir.
Sige, go.
Okay. So kanang sir wala ako ba ni siyang gihimo sa kuan sir sa Gmail sir kay dili mo gana ako ang kuan kanang
PowerPoint.
ah
Yeah, sige. Go. Sure.
kita ra sir.
Ah,
Kana this is my visual verbal relationship by Joanna Blanche. Okay, so this is the activity 3.7.3. Number 1. The earth is made up of 3 layers: the crust, the mantle, and the core. The outer layer, called the crust, is between 16 and 40 kilometers thick. Number 3. The mantle is 2,895 kilometers thick. And number 4, the core, which is 3,475 kilometers thick, is surrounded by the mantle. The innermost part is solid, the inner core, while the outer part is liquid, the outer core. And I use the infograph.
okay. Infograph. Okay. Next. Next, Amelia. Amelia, who's next?
Oh, co-answers. Wait, sir. Kuan ka ng si Samuel, sir.
Samuel. Okay, go Samuel. Sige, turn off your camera except for Samuel.
Lagi pa-play anime, sir? Tara deh. Yung mag- Morning everyone, this is my project. Kuan, 3.11.3. Yeah, these are the layers of the earth. These are the layers of the earth. Ay, kanang number 1 kay question kay the earth is made up of 3 layers: the crust, ano to? The crust, the mantle, and the core. Then this is the outer layer. This is where humans live. Ay, there, sir. Then the mantle is 2,895 kilometers thick. So kanang one which kanang estimate to 900 mantle. Yeah. Number 4 is the core, which is 3,475 kilometers thick, is surrounded by the mantle. Mantle Canadian doser. Yeah, the innermost part is solid. The inner core man is stern niya. Ang kani sir ang outer part kay liquid kani sir. That's all sir. Thank you sir.
Next, Samuel. Thank you, Samuel.
Dash na sir, dash na.
Darshna. Okay, Darshna.
Sir.
Yes. Yes, there's na?
Akong kuan sa akong kuan, sir.
Yeah, you share screen. You do share screen.
Naman siya
Like what
sa
the others.
gamit kay
Ito may gamit.
cellphone.
Dars, isend sa ako sa Facebook, Dars. Ako yung share screen.
I send on ni Kanoy, then ato niya mag-share, share screen. Make it quick. Come again? There's na? What's the status?
Sir,
Kinsay ready na diha? Who's ready? Ava, ready na ka? Not yet? Ikaw na lang, Bir. Ava.
Mauwaw ko, sir. Nindot kailangan.
Mauwa mo noon. Sige, go ahead, Ava. After Ava, let's go back to Darshna after. So make it quick, ha? Make it quick, Darshna. Do it fast.
Sir, makita na, sir? Sir? Okay, so good morning, everyone. My name is Saba Cristal B. Dilema, and today I will be presenting to you our topic, Earth's three layers. So as you can see, that the Earth, the Earth is composed of three layers, which is the crust, mantle, and core. The crust, which is also called outer layer, is between 16 and 40 kilometers thick. Mantle, while the mantle is 2,895 kilometers thick. The core, which is divided into the inner and outer core, with the inner core, which is solid, and outer core, which is liquid. The core is also 3,475 kilometers thick, surrounded by the mantle. That's it, sir.
Thank you. So next, Darshna. Ready? Ready na ba, Kanoy?
sir.
Dalag ka, sir.
Ha?
Dalag ka.
Talon pa. Who's other ready na diha? Archer. Ready na? Archer? Uy, Mike. Kinsa may man na. Juan. Ready na yung mga Juan? Rapunzel. Rapunzel. Alcher. Later na yung Alcher. Okay, huwag mo kay Mike. Nalaw ko ikaw niya later. Rapunzel. Sige na, Rapunzel. Rapunzel. Again, be again. Rapunzel, ready na? Darshna, ready na mo Darshna? I-ready ra gud na inyo daan good if the kind of activity is like this, ready ra gud na inyo daan. Ready na? Hindi, kasi sayang ang oras. Your classmates are waiting. Sayang kayong oras. Gina! Sus, kapuyag, paabot. Diro po ganahan na lang magsigog paabot niya pa sahon ra kus wala. Sakit-sakit ba kay nang muasas wala. Sige na. What's next? Rapunzel or Darshna? Oh, sige. Wala na mo sunod. Rapunzel. Mana? Ay,
Sir, approval na naman Rhea, palihog ko mo ni sir nga naghimo ako kay wala pa ko nakauman.
Kinsa?
Sir Rapunzel. Si Dash nagisan na lang ang picture na ko, sir. Wait lang.
Ngano naghimo pa man? Why you are still making? I gave it to you last week. Last week pa, you have so much time to make.
Sir,
Hmm.
ako na lang
Downloading yapon?
ako
Still
niya.
downloading.
Sure na,
Still
sir.
downloading. Ha?
May picture na lang. Pwede na
Ah.
screenshot.
Sige. Sige, go. Go na, Darshna. You explain na, Darshna.
Asa man tong una? Wait lang, una sir. Subuan niyo. Report ko. Subukan mo dito. Ria. Ikuan gud sa una, Ria, na ako'y gisend na usa. Subo kayo mo. Era, sir. Good morning, everyone. I'm discussing this. I'm be discussing the layers of Earth. These are the informations of the 3 layers of Earth. Then, the next area, please. First is the Earth. The Earth is made up of 3 layers, which is the crust, mantle, and core. The crust is the outer layer of the Earth. It is between 16 and 40 kilometers thick. The mantle, it is between the inner core and the crust. It is 2,985 thick. And the core is surrounded by the mantle and has 3,475 kilometers thick. The last one, the innermost part is solid, which is the inner core, while the outer is liquid, which is the outer core. Mana, sir?
Okay. So, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Next. Juan. Rapunzel, pamumunaw-man, di ba? This is what you will do. Rapunzel and Alcher. Humana mas Alcher. Wala mo siya mic, so we one man. Alcher. Can you do share screen sa imong na lang sa imong illustration? Alcher, do a share screen of your na lang of your illustration. Alcher, i-share screen, you do share screen of your illustration na lang. Nganong dili man? Why? Why, Alcher?
Sir Gino, murag gi-screenshot ko niya pero walay nakita. Kanang
Wala
CE.
nakita?
Yes sir,
Oo.
gi-screenshot ko niya.
Sige. Ano na lang? Ano na lang? For those who wasn't able to present today, for those who wasn't able to present today, please record a video of yourselves presenting your illustrations. Asa ninyo i-send are nako. Yes, Samuel.
Ang human nag-present, sir. Maghimo.
Wala na.
Ah, okay, sir.
Ang wala maka-present karon, yes, messenger lang. Send it to me. Messenger nako. Of your recorded video of yourselves doing a presentation of your illustrations. Para na mo score. Okay? Because it could be unfair for those who present today if ang inyong halang illustration ang inyong isend sa kuha. It would be unfair because they presented their illustrations and yours don't. So ang atong buhaton, share screen Alcher is kanang left button nga na murag TV nasa lower left of your call. Lower left. Kanang tunga kanang murag TV. Oh, i-click na nimo share your screen, then imong i-kuha ng application. Oh, kana siya Alcher. Sige, i-share screen mo hang kuan be. Okay. Next, kanang page 2. Kanang number 2. I-click down na. Okay. Next slide. Okay. Next slide. Next slide. Next slide. Next slide. Okay. Next. Mara to? Okay. So still, ano na lang. For those who wasn't able to present, okay, walay mic, you do a video presentation, mag-record mo sa inyong self doing a presentation of your illustration. You send it to me in my messenger. Deadline would be tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the deadline. Okay? And for those who are done, submit your illustrations or upload your illustrations in the LMS. Oh, apelya po ka Alcher. Kamotanan, upload your PowerPoints. Kamotanan, upload your PowerPoints in LMS. Nana diha. Your activity 3.7.3. Upload your visual verbal illustrations here. Kay ana na ko ibutang ang inyong scores. Scores sa karon. Okay? Okay na? Okay. So that's all. Thank you. Oh, no, not yet today. Performance task. I forgot to give your performance task. Ay karalan sa. Tomorrow we will have a written assessment. Tomorrow we will have a practice. Mag-practice ta, another activity. Then we'll have a written assessment. Okay? Our assessment tomorrow. Okay? Thank you and goodbye. Make sure tomorrow, make sure that you will on your cameras tomorrow. Na maka-on mo sa tanang cameras and microphone tomorrow. Camera and microphone. Why? Visual verbal illustrations ta, and you will have to do share screen or presentation. Okay? So that's all. Thank you and goodbye.
Bye, sir. Sir, excuse
Goodbye.
me sa. I think maong absent si Hillary karon kay kanang ilang net bitaw hinay din. Nisod siya ganin nagsuway ni try siya access din di siya kadungog, sir. Oo.
Sige. Nya inalan siya sa kanang akong instructions for those who wasn't able to present today.
Okay, sir.
Sige. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Hala, agoy. Maghimo lagi ba? Hindi ko maghimo.